Hi guys, so are you looking for free coaching about digital marketing? And do you want to get free learning materials or guides about digital marketing? So, may share ako sa inyo. So, I have a client. Ang name nila is Joshua and Christina Shoemaker and sila ang may-ari ng Everlasting Creators. And ako yung nagmamanage ng social media accounts nila and general virtual assistant. And sobrang dami namin ditong guides, free guides, mga PDFs, mga PowerPoints, mga learning materials about digital marketing. And nagla-live din sila everyday 8 a.m. dito sa Philippines. And yung topics na mga pinag-uusapan dito sa Everlasting Creators is more on digital marketing. Example is how to create a website, how to manage your business, yung social media accounts mo, and ano pa? And how to increase your online presence. So, kaya ko siya nasasabi na this is a great resource tool is ako yung naglalagay kasi nag-upload sa mga guides. Kaya alam ko kung ano yung mga nilalagay dyan. So, if you're interested to be a part of Everlasting Creators to get free coaching from the CEO of Everlasting Creators, so join lang kayo dito sa Facebook group. Kasi sobrang daming valuable contents and learnings na makukuha nyo. See you there!